It is time for my song of the week. And news that kind of flew under the radar recently was McDonald's looking to boost sales by changing up their recipe for the most legendary, iconic burger the world has ever seen.
What?
I honestly can't believe there was not more kickback from
Wait,
this.
they're changing a recipe?
The Big Mac.
Yes.
No way.
Yes.
You didn't hear about this?
You know, they're changing the buns. They're adding more sauce.
We talked about the sauce, but I didn't know they were changing it.
According to McD's, they're rolling out softer, more pillowy golden brown buns.
Oh,
Yes.
They're doing gooier, meltier cheese.
Oh, yeah.
Juicier caramelized onions.
I like it.
And even more special sauce on every
Okay.
single burger.
I remember this. I thought we were changing the sauce.
No,
and that's what's gonna
I
make
think
me
they're
mad.
just making it better.
It sounds like it.
Honestly.
And to McDonald's, it's obviously clearly not a big deal. Like, oh, we're just going to adjust our grill settings and make everything have more flavor and yummy. Well, you know what I say to that?
What?
You're going down a road you probably don't want to be on.
Uh-oh.
You want to smother something in Big Mac sauce? Smother me.
Hey.
The
Okay,
McJeff?
Jeff.
Unless it does taste better, because, I mean, I don't know, sure. I'm open to it, I guess.
Jeffrey
Yeah.
does sound
Maybe I
delicious.
jumped to conclusions
Yeah.
there, but still, you're messing with a fast food tradition that goes back decades, maybe even centuries. If I looked it up on Google, which I won't.
Yeah, you probably
So
shouldn't.
I didn't hear any backlash, but you're going to be the backlash? Is that what you're saying?
No, I'm not saying that. I'm just
Okay.
saying that the Big Mac is the Beyonce of burgers. And it really needs a
Okay.
song to champion the fact that it is king, not only with me, but all across North America and the rest of the world. The old version, the new version, we stand united by the Big Mac.
Yeah, it's so
Wow.
iconic.
You're calling it a Burger King? Yeah.
Oof.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Don't want to go there.
He did it.
But that's why instead of singing Sir Mix-a-Lot's old school hit,
What?
Baby Got Back,
Nice.
it's Young
Okay.
Jeffrey's Baby Got Mac.
I love it.
I love you, Big Mac. This song is for you.
We should all have Big Macs in our hands.
I know.
I'm a point when I'm ready. Points.
Oh my God, Jeffrey, look at that beef chuck. It was hand flipped. It smells like the entrance to the pearly gates of heaven. But, you know, who likes fast food now anyways? They only order it because that J-Balvin guy told them to. I mean, that burger, it's just so thick. It's like a Hemsworth in food form. It's like hot but humble. I mean, perfectly cooked. It's just so stacked.
I like big buns and I cannot lie. No other burger can supply. When a Big Mac comes in an itty bitty case, wanna shove it in my face and say, yum. And the angel sung as soon as it touched my tongue. Girl, I can see you staring. Don't ask me cause I'm not sharing. Oh, lady, you better stand further. Hands off my burger. I'm such a fast food junkie. McDonald's makes
Me so hungry.
ooh, double patties covered in melted cheese. So gooey, chewy, it slaps harder than Bruce Lee. Taste buds are dancing. Bop like Hanson, got zest. Yes, how many can my gut digest?
14!
I'm tired of fitness freaks saying go for gluten-free. Take the average dad bod and ask him that. He's throwing back a Big Mac. So fellas, fellas, does your Big Mac got the buzz? Go on, eat it, feed it. There's nothing left but crumbs. So baby got Mac.
Archway plate filling up my belly.
Hamburglers crack.
Kids Play Place was a little bit smelly. Kids Play Place was a little bit smelly.
I ate them in my crib, dressed in a McBib. My zodiac sign's a cheeseburger, not an animal. We're food compatible. I'll drive it home and numb, double up, numb. Real beef I enjoy. Those plant-based patties are made with soy. Don't want no fish or freaking sushi. Don't add no fancy truffles. No blue cheese crumbles. Serve you up a sandwich of knuckles. So I pull to the drive-thru slow. I roll down the window, talking like,
Hello, welcome to McDonald's. Now, please, can I take your order?
I want 2 beef patties, lettuce, cheese, and onions. And no, I ain't done yet. Add the special sauce with the pickles on a sesame seed bun. If you wanted some on the menu, it's number 1. I'll eat it for lunch and dinner. Every single meal of the day. That sauce, so boss, I dunk it in my dental floss. So lady, can a Big Mac father your baby? Head on down to Ronald's house. Get some meat inside that mouth. Baby got Mac.
Oh, man.
That burger is stacked. The Whopper is whack. Yeah, baby. When it comes to value meals, McDonald's got the ultimate fast food selection. Double fist French fried potato sticks. I'm loving it, cause everywhere I've gone to, from Burbank to Wakanda, I'm drawn to you like Simba's drawn into Nala. The rumors saying once you go, Mac, you don't ever go back. I drove there in my pickup. I said, fill up that bed with sauce. Got napkins by the boatload till my glove box overflows. Could toss them, but I'll leave them. Might spill a drink and I'll need them. This burger is so grand. I almost ate my hand. The second time today, my girl's diminished. Saying you already finished? Found an old French fry in the car seat. It still looks good to me. Upper lipper on my sister. Had sauce there, so I kissed her. Some haters might try to diss, but I make a love in this. That line cook in the kitchen, and more like a burger magician. So, buddy, if your hunger's wild, give a hug to your inner child. Turn up for the hashtag Grimace Life and bathe in special sauce with a Big Mac. Baby got Mac.
Oh my God, that was amazing,
Hashtag
Jeff.
Grimace Life,
Yeah.
Jeffrey.
Oh my gosh, I'm so impressed, bro.
I've never craved a Big Mac until now.
I know, I haven't had one in forever. I want one.
All right, Big Macs for everybody on Brook today.
Hey.
We're short on time, so make sure you go check out the
Oh my
song
God,
online
that was
on
amazing.
I want to hear it again already.
TikTok, on
Yes,
Instagram,
so
YouTube.
good.
We'll put all the lyrics up there. All of it's at Brooke and Jeffrey.
Sir
You can-
Mix-a-Lot is gonna love that.
Yeah.
I really do.
Or he's going to sue us. So
Yeah,
we'll
whatever,
find out.
you know.
Like, share, subscribe, and smother yourself in Big Mac sauce today. We got your phone
man.
tap coming up next.